Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about taking various type of files as input and defining some sort of a some sort of a technique or some sort of defined letters or a pattern that's set to be taken as an input. So let's start programming. And First of all, we'll just try to take some input files. So for that, let me just start programming. Then body, then I would just say h1. I just want to define it as multiple file input. And then take it as form action, then abl for equals to files, and then you can just say select multiple files, then close the label. Then is input type equals to file, id is equals to files, name is also equals to files, then multiple, so that user can enter multiple files while selecting them. Two breaks for the next line, then the last one is for the submit button. And value is also submit. Then close the form and close the body and HTML. Just take it to your emulator and click on run. Then you can see that this is my multiple input. Let me just zoom in to the highest level. Yeah, so you can see it says choose files, and it says no file selected right now. So let me just go ahead and select multiple files. So I will just go ahead and select some pictures, then open, and you can see it says 3 files have been selected and multiple files selected. Just click on submit, and it gives you the output as whatever the file names are. It's just giving you those inputs like whatever their format is. Now in the next one, in the next program, what we want to do is we want to define something in the text box, that how it should be given to the user. So I'll just keep a few things as it is. After label, I'm going to change it to for is like, for is I would just say um, I would say defined txt. That's going to be the kind of selection that we want, and we can say uh, select, we can say type tool to alphabet, type 3 alphabets, alphabets, type 3 alphabets, and then This file type becomes text. Change id to define txt. Name also becomes define txt. And then instead of having multiple, we're just defining through a pattern, a set pattern, which is equals to. So in the square brackets, I'm going to define capital A to large A, that's capital Z, then small a to small z, and then close the square bracket. Also define how many of these are going to be there. So 3 are going to be there, and then a title as well equals to three characters. Then the breaks are going to be there and submit button is going to be there. Let's go and give it a try. Copy it, go ahead and paste it, click on run. So it says let's change the multiple file also, it doesn't look good. Let's say fixed characters, then click on run. So it says fixed characters, type 3 alphabets. Let's say if I type some numbers and click on submit, so you can see that it says please match the requested format, please match the requested format. So it means I would have to only type in 3 alphabets. Let me try to type more of it. Again it says uh, match the requested format. So let me just go and type A B C and then click on submit. Okay, maybe let's see, maybe let's see what we did. A to Z, maybe we didn't close the brackets. A to capital Z, A to small z, title is there, type 3 alphabets, 3 letter country code. Let's see if we did 3 correct. Okay, we didn't close it. Yeah, there we go. Copy it, Control V, and this is character input. Yeah, and then click on run. So let me now type in 3 of the like A B C, click on submit. So now it's getting submitted and the error has been rectified and defined text is ABC. So only 3 of those letters have gone into as an input. So that's it for this video, and we'll keep talking about input attributes in the next video.